Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can activate DLSS 4.5 on the NVIDIA app, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to activate DLSS 4.5 on your NVIDIA app easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the NVIDIA app. After that, you're going to go into settings here. And once you go into settings, you're going to go into about. After that, you're going to tick this checkbox, opt in to access beta or experimental features. And after you tick that checkbox, it will update your NVIDIA app. And once it updates your NVIDIA app, you're also going to get a GeForce Game Ready driver update. So you're going to update your GeForce Game Ready driver. It's going to be updated to the version 591.74. And then you'll have DLSS 4.5 on your NVIDIA app. Now to enable it, you're just going to go into graphics. After that, you're going to select any game on your left menu. And once you select the game, you're going to scroll down on the right menu until you find driver settings, and in that driver settings you'll have DLSS override. You're going to click onto global, and once you click onto global, now you're going to select latest here, and once you select latest, you're going to click apply. After clicking apply, it will activate DLSS 4.5 on that game for you. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.